how to follow someone on Reddit and see their posts and activity. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to follow Reddit users. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and sign into your account if you haven't already. Next, find the Reddit user you want to follow. You can do this by opening one of their posts or comments and tapping on their username to visit their profile. Once you're on their profile page, look for the follow button and tap it. That's it. You are now following that Reddit user. After following them, Reddit may show their public posts in your home feed, making it easier to stay updated with the content they share. Keep in mind that following a user does not give you access to private information. You'll only see content they have posted publicly on Reddit. If you ever want to stop following them, simply return to their profile and tap following or unfollow, depending on your app version. And that's how to follow someone on Reddit and see their activity. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Reddit tips and tutorials.